Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the American Savings Bank Hawaii app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. American Savings Bank Hawaii is a mobile banking app designed to help customers manage their finances conveniently. The app offers features such as account balance checks, transaction history, mobile check deposits, bill payments, fund transfers, and account alerts. It also provides secure login options and access to customer support, making it a comprehensive tool for personal banking. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app for its simple and intuitive interface, fast navigation, and reliable performance. It allows customers to manage accounts, pay bills, and transfer funds efficiently. Many users also like the real-time alerts that help them stay informed about their account activity and transactions. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional login or connectivity issues, and certain advanced banking functions may be more limited compared to using the desktop version. Additionally, some features require activation through the bank, which can be inconvenient for new users. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the American Savings Bank Hawaii app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient and secure way to manage your accounts on the go. It excels in essential banking functions, ease of use, and account monitoring. However, if you require more advanced features or multi-account management, it might not fully meet all your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.